So this is kind of cool. There is a vehicle that I think you like, except you're not going to be able to drive it here. But if you go to Mars, you should be able to use it there, or maybe to the moon. So you just have to join up with the space program, and you'll be able to drive the JAXA hydrogen-powered Lunar Rover, created by Toyota for the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, which is what JAXA means. And 6 wheels capable of transporting 2 astronauts and all their stuff. And I don't know, I kind of feel like it has a level of sailability right here, right here on Earth. I don't think you should have to go into space to have it. But it's super cool off-road vehicle. Look at that.
Maybe the prepper community would be into it.
Yeah, so there's an RV. Put some rubber tires on it.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, and what's super cool is that's going to be pressurized. So you don't have to ride in your bulky spacesuit or in that very uncomfortable sweater, because I'm assuming pressurized should also mean good AC and heating capabilities. Why not here?
So there's an airlock to get in and out of it? Must be.
Probably, if you're going to have the pressurizing, we'll see.
You could take this through California wildfires then.
Yeah.
Oh, well, let's not. Let's
and the back of it there, is that fold out for tailgate parties? Is that the plan?
It's got solar power, so basically it's going to be the best tailgate party, because you'll have the solar power wings up, and you'll be able to pull up the grill, maybe run a giant screen TV. Maybe your buddy's gonna drop over with his buddies and have a little jam session. You'll be able to power their instruments. I think this is a vehicle that we need right here on Earth right now.
Yeah, I think that solar panel can be replaced with a high definition.
Flat screen. Yeah.
Yeah, but how are you gonna power it? That's why you gotta have a separate TV screen.
Yeah.
Solar panel on one side, television on the other.
There you go.
Party in the
It's
front.
got a big old dish already.
Party in the back.
Yeah.
So what's the hydrogen angle on
I
this?
love the idea.
I love the idea, but something of that size, how are you going to get that out of the Earth's atmosphere? I mean, that's massive.
And then Elon rocket.
Yes, on an Elon rocket.
Yeah.
It's still, yeah, but still, given the size compared to the person, that'll make it to space right after the space elevator.
I do have confidence in Toyota making it rugged, because the Land Cruiser that they sell on Earth is a legendary machine, and you cannot kill those things. So if the same engineering people build this, it should be able to withstand other planetaries.
Yeah, I mean, let's be honest. For a long time, my stepfather has always been like, he doesn't do American cars. To him, it's like he wouldn't touch a Ford or anything else like that, or a Plymouth. He was a Toyota or Honda dude. So I was raised in an Orthodox religion, only Japanese cars.
Pretty big though for Earth. I mean, the tires are almost as big as the person.
Yeah.
Well, but that's what they said about the Hummer and the Suburban. I mean, by the time this thing works out, that'll be normal.
Fine. But we're going to have to wait for a while. We're going to be waiting until 2030.